Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, I am going to do a sinking funds update and update you on how much I have saved since quarter 2 to quarter 3, even though this quarter 4, I'm a little behind. So the last time I gave you guys an update on my sinking funds was June the 30th of this year. So this video is going to be for what I saved in July, August, and end of September. Well, actually, I'm going to October the 20th. I'm a little behind. So it's going to be what I saved from July 1st to October 20th. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. Get started because I don't want this video to be too long. So this is the sinking funds tracker I will be using. I picked this up off of Abby Tries to Budget. It is a free download. So yeah, so go ahead and pick you up one. It has your current update and your previous update. So previous update would be quarter 2 and current update would be quarter 3. So you put your categories, your previous balance, whether or not you added or subtracted anything, and then your total. Then you go all the way down here and total everything up. So thank you, Abby, for creating this. And thank you, Chris, for suggesting it, because I was looking for somebody who had created a sinking funds tracker. So this is the tracker I'll be using. So I was trying to figure out how to do it without it being so long, because when I watch these videos, they are pretty long. So I went ahead and put my amounts in. So what I did is where I added some money is in purple, and if I subtracted some money, it's in orange. So I went ahead and did that. So yeah. So we're going to do, like I said, we're going to be doing from July 1st to, well, October the 22nd. So these are all of my amounts. So if you hadn't checked out that video, I just did a sinking funds explained video. I have it up in the iCard. It just explains all of these sinking funds. Because, you know, all sinking funds are not self-explanatory, and all sinking funds do not mean the same thing to everybody. So that was just a video I decided to do to motivate you guys or give you guys some ideas. So the first thing we're going to do is, the easiest way for me to do is, I'm just going to talk through it, because there's no point in me picking up my binder, because, I mean, you've seen envelopes before. So we're going to do car maintenance first. So, as you can see, at the end of quarter 2, we had $315, and now we have $1,125, and that is a difference of $810. So I was able to contribute $810 from July 1st to now. Next is my daughter Erica. She's in the negative. She was negative 145. Now she was negative 105. Now she's negative 145. So how I do that to pay the money back is every time I add money, I just decrease the amount that she owes me. That's the best way for me to do her, being her financial situation she's in. So yeah. So fitness and health ended with $22, and we now have $105. That's a difference of $83 that I was able to add. Home ended with $400, and we now have $20. So I spent $380. Investments, I contribute $31 a month, and I take the $31 out 1 month ahead. So I need to go and look at my digital sinking fund for this one. Let me do all my digital sinking funds. I forgot to do that, and I'll be back. So I left off with, it was 1 month ahead. So the end of quarter 2, I had $495, and now I have $908. So that's a difference of $413. Self-care, I use this envelope often, so this amount may not be right at this time, but we're going to go ahead and go with it. Ended with $93, and I now have $163, so we have a difference of $70. My Mrs Vee spending, which is the money, the rollover that I have every week. I give myself $100 a week to spend, but because I have a mindset change, and I do not value some of the same luxury items that I used to value, and plus I'm focused on paying off my house, I don't spend a lot of my money. So yeah, but I still enjoy myself and get the things I want. I ended with $275 quarter 2, and now I have $1,334, and so that's a difference of $1,059. Subscriptions ended $53, and now we have 88. We got a difference of $35. My daughter Tiffany had $10 at the end of the quarter too. She now has 40, so that's a difference of $30. Anniversary, we ended with $30, and we now have $200, and that's a difference of $170 that I've saved. Remember, the purple is in addition, and the orange is when I took some money out. And birthdays, this is a new category. I didn't have anything to end of quarter two, and now I have $30. My granddaughter's breast reduction, I'm trying to save up $250 to help with the deductible. I ended with $55, and I now have $120, so that's a difference of $65. Car tags. We had to get our car tags in September. So the end of June, we had $225, and we now have $45. That's a difference of negative $180. Candles, you know, Mrs Vee loved candles. I didn't have any money at the end of quarter two, and I now have $97. Car deductible, I had $70, and I now have $185, a difference of $115. House deductible, I had $120, and now have $250, a difference of $130. Charity is a new envelope that I've started. I had $0 at the end of quarter two. I now have $30. Giveaways, I had $100, and I now have $30, so there's a difference of $70. Medical deductible, I ended with $188, now I have $215, so I was able to save $27 since June 30th. Report cards, I give my grandkids $20 per A. We ended with $20, and we now have $80, so that's a difference of $60. So yeah, so that's what's going on in my high priority and low priority binder. Let's finish the low priority binder. On the second sheet, small businesses, when I support you guys, I ended with $100, and I now have $55, so that's a difference of $45. An unbudgeted envelope for anything that I missed had $0, and now it has $54. And technology is a new envelope, and I have $10 in there. My husband has, where he ended with $100, he now has $37, so that's, he took out $63. My stepson, that's a new envelope I started for him. He has $40. My grandson Jonah had $50, and we spent $10. I think I gave him $10, and now he has $40. Tristan had $30. He spent $10, so they leave him with $20. To Kyra, she always get her money. That's my oldest granddaughter, the senior. She started out with $0, and now she has $40. Xavier, he has $0. He has $37. Amaya had $30, and now she has $40. So that's a difference of $10. Yay! So let me show you the amount, the total amount that we had at the end of quarter two for all these sinking funds was $2,457. So I'm gonna go ahead and add up the amount in all of these columns and see the total difference that I saved from quarter two to quarter three. Let me get my calculator, and I'll be back. I've added up all the totals in this column over here, and this is the total that we have. $5,438. So if we take that $5,438 and subtract $2,457, that'll tell me the difference, the amount that I've saved in 3 months from quarter two to quarter three. So let's do that now. So I just leave that 5,438 on there and just subtract 2,457. So I was able to save $2,981 amongst all my sinking funds. Yay! That's great, being that I'm trying to pay down my mortgage and also save up $20K in addition to all the other life circumstances that has happened from quarter to quarter. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Yeah, that's it. So this is Mrs Vee. I'm going to continue to show you love, and I'm always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you. and have a nice day. I did 90. Oh man, I messed up. Let me start over. I'll be back. I messed up in the same spot again. What in the world?